Hello, this is Light as Whitey, and I'm bringing you a 3-in-1 collection update video today. I have 3 Zippo lighters to review. This is the first one. This is a B 2013. It's just a brushed chrome finish, standard Zippo lighter. The next one I have is a J 2012. It's the candy red finish iced lighter, very nice as well. And the third one is a collection of the limited edition George Pettigirl Zippo lighter, and it's this one. I can't remember which one this one is. Sorry, but this one is it's number 7,250 out of, I think, 10,000. Yes. So this is the first one I got, and well, it functions exactly like a Zippo lighter, as does this one. This one, both of them I got new. This one cost me £9 off Amazon, and this one cost me £15 off Amazon. It has shine on there. Yeah, literally the only complaint I can have about them is on the red one the lid doesn't always shut. But I think that's just to do with the hinge not being very loose on the insert, it being brand new and